That's right. You're going to be able to start using real music in your videos coming early 2023. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the new music copyright system on YouTube, all the changes coming to YouTube Shorts, and all the new ways that YouTube is allowing creators to make more money. For a long time, the copyright system for music on YouTube has been really complicated. But launching in early 2023, YouTube is launching a product called Creator Music, where you're going to be able to license real music from your favorite artists right inside of YouTube. The way that it currently works, if you use a copyrighted song in your videos, you're actually not able to make any money from that video. YouTube and the music artists split all of the revenue that would come from it. Some artists gatekeep their music so hard that they actually issue takedowns. They don't even want the revenue. They just don't want anyone to be able to use their music except for themselves. This leads to a lot of confusion when choosing songs for videos because sometimes smaller creators don't even care about making money from a video. They just want to use the song. But sometimes it's unclear whether the music that you're going to choose is going to get you a takedown or if they're going to let it stay up and just split the revenue with YouTube. That's where Creator Music comes in. There's going to be a full library of licensable, real music that you can look through, see all the rights, and the best part is you can actually pay for a license to use the music in your video. No more guessing to see if it's going to get taken down or splitting the revenue with YouTube. You pay a flat fee when you upload the video, and that's it. The rest of the video is fully monetizable forever. As of right now, the details are still a little bit unclear. But when I was at Vid Summit, I got to hear from YouTube employees, and they said that the pricing is going to be based on the subscriber count of your channel, which is amazing because it means that smaller creators will pay less and larger creators will pay more.
Pricing is set by the music side. So we've done a bunch of research and we're seeing right now, early days, we're seeing all over the map. So seeing some stuff that's free, completely free. A lot of stuff that's in for $199, so very, very reasonable pricing. And on the high end, I think you're going to see stuff for $100, maybe several hundred, even thousands. The idea is to try to find the right fit, right? So you'll pay as the music becomes more popular, as the channel is bigger, the prices will change.
If you wanted to license a big song right now, there's probably just a giant flat fee that they would be charging you, no matter how big or small your channel is, because there's never been an avenue or a system for this actually to work. Speaking of monetizing videos, let's move on to YouTube Shorts. There are a lot of changes coming up, and YouTube is making a real serious push to make YouTube Shorts a thing. So we talked about music copyright, and as you know, vertical scrolling video includes a lot of copyrighted music. We all know about TikTok and Instagram Reels using real songs in their videos, and YouTube Shorts has been slow to catch up because of their content ID system that's gotten kind of tied up in their long-form horizontal platform. Previously, you could only use 15 seconds of a real song on YouTube Shorts, but now they're going to be extending that up to 60 seconds, the full length of a YouTube short. Up until now, making money on these vertical scrolling platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts has been kind of weird. The way that TikTok and Instagram have done it is they've created a creator fund where they choose an arbitrary amount of money to share with creators. This is cool and all, but it's not based on actual revenue. It's just a made-up number that they've decided to give to the creators. YouTube has always done things a little bit differently. They actually share the revenue generated with creators. The way that this revenue split works on long-form horizontal videos is based on a thing called CPM, which is a marketing term that basically means how much it costs for 1,000 people to see an ad. But with shorts, ads aren't really being placed on a specific short. They're being placed between shorts, and not between every short, between 3 or 10 shorts. So how's that revenue going to be actually shared amongst the creators? The way the revenue split will work is 45% of revenue will go directly to creators, and the other 55% is going to be split between the music companies and YouTube. Just keep in mind, regardless of if you use music or not, you're still only getting 45%. Another thing to point out is that with CPM, the values are based on the types of content that the creator is creating. So for example, if I'm a finance creator and I'm talking about stocks and trading and stuff like that, that's a high value subject. So an advertiser that's maybe selling a course on stock trading is going to be very interested in advertising to my audience, and they're willing to pay top dollar for that. And creators that are creating entertainment content or something that's not necessarily as monetizable of an audience, their CPMs are going to be lower. This means that you can actually make more money just by making YouTube videos about subjects that advertisers are willing to pay more money to advertise against. YouTube has confirmed that with YouTube Shorts, this CPM model just completely goes out the window. And this is great news for those creators that I was just mentioning that have low CPMs. All the video views within a certain region are going to be pooled together, and the revenue is going to be split between YouTube, the music creators, and the video creators. This is really unique because this is the first time a revenue share model has been introduced to a vertical scrolling platform, just like TikTok or Instagram Reels. I think this is a great move by YouTube because there's been plenty of controversy around how music is being used on TikTok and Reels, and YouTube's actually taken the time to create a system that seems fair. Music creators should get paid for how much their music is getting used. YouTube should be paid for creating this amazing platform, and the creators should be getting paid for making the videos that we all enjoy. Right now, I think that YouTube is losing in this vertical video scrolling platform wars. I think TikTok and Instagram definitely have a lot more popularity, but as far as overall users, YouTube has them both beat. YouTube is the #1 video platform in the world, and the fact that they're putting so much effort behind shorts should have Instagram and TikTok a little bit scared. I asked the YouTube employees that were presenting at VidSummit if they have any plans on extending the length of YouTube Shorts, and they said right now it's not one of their main priorities. I would personally like to see YouTube extend the length past the 60-second mark because Reels can be up to 90 seconds and TikToks I think can be like 10 minutes or something ridiculous. So if I'm creating content for all 3 platforms, I'm still kind of limiting myself to 60 seconds if I want to post across all 3. Another big gripe from creators is that uploading YouTube Shorts just looks really ugly on your channel. There's not much thumbnail customization abilities, and when you go to the videos tab, it just looks really ugly and off-putting. But YouTube understands this, and they have plans to completely separate the Shorts platform from the videos platform, and they're just working out the best way to do that right now. As it stands, if you're using YouTube on mobile, you can scroll down on a creator's page and simply just see their shorts. And I think this is a great idea, kind of like how Instagram has separated Reels off into their own little tab. I think that having shorts on its own dedicated tab on a YouTube channel is the best way to go. And please, YouTube, let us just change the thumbnails. It's getting annoying. I also asked the YouTube employees that were presenting at VidSummit if they had any plans on introducing some kind of subscription model similar to Envato, Artlist, Epidemic Sound, or any other of these copyright-free music services so you could pay one flat fee and have access to the entire creator music library. Their response was that since not all music is going to cost the same amount, it's going to be hard to figure out what that looks like in fairness to all parties. But I think they should introduce some kind of tiered system where you can have access to all A tier music and below, all B tier music and below, all C tier music and below, and you'd pay a different rate per month to get access to higher tiers of music. Another feature that they just rolled out is the ability to take a segment from your long form video and turn it into a YouTube short. The best part is that there's a button at the bottom that you can click that will actually take you to the long form video. This is great because YouTube Shorts is awesome for cold traffic, meaning people that aren't familiar with your channel. So they could watch that short as a little promo for the full video, might be interested enough, click the button, and now they're watching the full length video that short came from. When making traditional YouTube videos, the key to getting new eyeballs on your video is having a really awesome thumbnail and title. But with YouTube Shorts, they're showing your videos to a bunch of random people that they think might like your videos. So the most important thing to consider there is the hook of the video. What's being played in the first few seconds, that's what's going to get people to stick around and engage with your channel. There are also a lot of changes coming to the YouTube Partner Program, which you have to be enrolled in to make money with YouTube. Did you know that over the last 3 years, YouTube has paid out over $50 billion to 2 million creators? If you do the math, that's $45 million a day, $1.9 million an hour, $528 a second, every single second for the last 3 years. That's crazy. Traditionally, the biggest obstacles to joining the YouTube Partner Program was you needed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours on your videos. Up until now, YouTube Shorts views were not counted towards this criteria, but YouTube has announced that they're going to be rolling out a new tier for the YouTube Partner Program eligibility that focuses on Shorts-only creators. YouTube has also announced a lower tier for the YouTube Partner Program, which focuses on fan funding options like Super Thanks, Super Chat, and subscriptions, which is similar to options like Patreon or Twitch subscriptions. I think this is a genius move by YouTube because it's going to allow smaller creators to be onboarded into their creator economy while still allowing fans to directly support them every month. Traditionally, people think about making money on YouTube in relation to ad revenue, but did you know that there are actually 10 different ways that creators can make money on YouTube? Over the last few years, YouTube's rolled out a bunch of new features like Super Thanks, where you can pay for a highlighted comment on a video, which is also coming to Shorts pretty soon, Super Chat, where you can pay for a pinned comment in a live stream, and channel memberships, where fans can pay for exclusive content and all kinds of other fun stuff. All in all, I think YouTube is making some great changes to their platform. And if I was betting between TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, in the long term, I've got my money on YouTube. They seem to have a real focus on longevity and creators. And if you're a content creator making video, YouTube is definitely the most lucrative place to be posting. I just got back from Vid Summit a couple weeks ago, and I'm gonna be releasing a video very soon about all the things I learned from top creators like Mr. Beast, Zach King, Ryan Trahan, and so many more. So if you're interested in that video, make sure you subscribe to 4Media for more, and we'll see you in the next video.